All right, taking a look at this image here. Okay, we've got red f function and then a blue g function here. Cool. So this is about chain rule, taking derivatives. If f and g are functions whose graphs are shown, let u of x be blah. We're only going to deal with u of x right now. Since this is a short video, we're just going to do part A. So ignore v and w, and then let's talk about the rest of it. So find each derivative if it exists. If it does not exist, explain why. Okay, so we're looking at u prime of 1 first. So u prime was defined as f of g. So let's go look at the walkthrough. So I just click walkthrough here and you get the full walkthrough. Okay, great. You can bookmark this if you want and just say, hey, let's just review that later. Okay, so I'm not going to read through everything here. You can check this out later if you want. The point is here for the calculation. So if u of x is defined as this, it's f of g of x, then for chain rule we have to do the outside derivative first. So it's f of g of x inside, and then we have to multiply by the derivative of the inside. So yeah, it's better written here. So we take the derivative of f with respect to x of all the inside stuff, and then multiply by the derivative of the inside stuff. This is chain rule. So if we look at it in this case, since we're looking at the derivative at 1, it's not just a general definition, we're looking at the derivative at a specific x value, then we can fill in this wherever we see an x here, we can just put a 1. And now we can look at these values. So g of 1, well, we can find that on our graph. So here's the g function, and g of 1, it looks like that's equal to 4 there. So g of 1 is 4, that's why we get this 4 in here. And then g prime of 1, that's going to be the slope at 1, and this looks like it's going down 3 over 3, that's just negative 1 for the slope. So that's why we get a negative 1 right there. And now this is a different one, so it's f prime at 4, so we're looking for the slope when x is 4 on the f graph. That's this one here, and that's going to be over here somewhere, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then it looks like it's down 1 over 4, so that's why the slope there is negative 1 over 4. Okay, and you just compute these. So I want to spend the rest of the time just showing where you can find this question. So if you go to the home screen, and I'm showing on mobile, it's the same thing on your computer though. And this is in Math 140 from McGill. And make sure you have recommended problems on, and then you just go down to chain rule. So it's under differentiation rules. You click in chain rule, and that's where you're going to see this question. Awesome.